Good day everyone, I'm your eco analyst for today and we will tackle about climate change. First, what is climate change? A climate change is attributed directly or indirectly to human activity, altering the composition of the global atmosphere. Also, climate change is one of the biggest crises facing the humanity. A climate change means a change in the climatic activities and in atmospheric levels. The primary causes of climate change is global warming, greenhouse gases, deforestation, and human activities. The impacts of climate change is storm, also rising sea levels and also melting glaciers. Also, it hits natural calamities such as earthquakes, cyclones, or floods. Also, it sometimes hazardous disease like cancer from radiation or allergies. Also, it causes wildfires. As you can see in the picture, it depicts the impacts that climate change through our Earth. It has less snow and ice, more droughts and wildfires, also the changes in plant life cycles, also the rising sea level, and also the stronger storms, also the higher temperature and more heat waves, and etc. As you can see in the illustration given below, it tackles about the impact of climate change on human health, meaning it pertains on climate change and people. It may affect the people and causes allergies, waterborne diseases, environmental refuges, also the mental health, and water and food supply, also the heat or temperature, and severe weather. The potential climate change impacts are health impacts which are dealing in diseases or respiratory illnesses, also the agriculture impacts which affect the crop yields and irrigation demands, and another one is forest impacts which change in forest composition, also the water resources impacts in changes in water supplies, and another one is impacts on coastal areas such as erosions of beaches, and another is species in natural areas. It is the shifting on ecological zones, loss of habitat and species. So what actions or solutions that we need to do in order for us to avoid climate change? The first thing is use Ecolite. Ecolite comes from the natural resources. Also, we need to eat foods such as biofruits which are organics. And we should implement the no plastic policy. We can use some bamboo crops or natural materials to use in everyday. The second thing is we need to plant more trees because if we plant more trees, there is a chance that our environment will get better and better. The third thing is we must also save the animals because animals is part of the environment. According to one eco organization, we are the first generation to feel the effect of climate change and the last generation who can do something about it, meaning we have the skills and capabilities to change it to better, to have a better world and a better environment. These are the tips to save the planet Earth. Number one tip is helps people and nature to adapt a changing climate. Second tip is advance policies to fight climate change. The third is combats deforestation. The fourth is invest in renewable energies. Number 5 is make others aware about the problem. Number 6, protecting our forests. Thank you for listening and watching. I hope you learned a lot with our discussions for today. Once again, I'm your eco analyst, Giselle Arbelo. Goodbye and thank you.